Hey everybody, welcome back and thank you for joining me today for another session in my Dark and Mysterious journal. So if you watched the last episode, we finished off some bits here. The little journaling card I made is now dry and I added some lined paper on the back from an old diary. Got a nice big journaling space there. I'm still thinking about this one right now. I'm looking for I do have this as just a nice image, but I think it's a little bit big, so I'm still thinking about that page right now. And you know what, I may just leave it. This one's done. Now last time I was talking about this page, which when I glued this on the back, it went really crinkly, and you know, it's not the end of the world, but I found this really nice. This was a free printable I found, and I've stuck that on there, and I wanted to let that dry, which it now has. And whilst I love that as an image, I want to just add something else to it. So I'm thinking of finishing that off today. And see, these pages are all good. Got some nice little tags in here which are backed. A little notebook. Okay, so we're going to come here. Now this page I'm happy with. This is silver. I've got a hidden paper clip there, so I want to leave that for things to clip under. But I have this little pocket here, and this was made, I don't know, maybe from a mini paper bag or something. So I want to put some tags in there today, and then we'll move on to here if we have time. Right, so let's flip back. I have this, I want to add some more interest to it, so that's where I'm going to start. All right guys, sit back, relax, enjoy, watch along. Hopefully things will speak to you. If you have questions or you have comments, really please do feel free to leave them below. I love to hear from you. But otherwise, as I say, sit back, relax and watch me create. we're moving on reasonably well at the moment. Again, I've got this hidden paper clip here, so I'm going to think about whether I put anything in there or whether I leave that space. I've got this page here, which has got a bit of, I don't know whether it's stenciling or gel print, but it's not very clear. It just looks sort of black and red. I've got this image. Now, I'm going to try a bit of an experiment. I have this die which goes through my Cuttlebug, and it makes a corner pocket. I don't know what this image is going to come out like, but I'm going to give it a try, and if it works I'll come back and pop it in here, and we'll have a bit of a different pocket. So let's see what. Okay, so that seemed to work quite well. I rather like that. So with this die you just fold these edges under, and it gives you a pocket. Quite like that. Okay, I'm going to find some other bits and pieces to put on here, and something to go in it. Okay, I've pulled out, this is a printable from, gosh, I'm trying to think of the name of his channel. It's a guy called Matteo, and I think it's RTO Mixed Media. I will look it up and put it up in the top corner here. This is a printable that I bought from him, and I particularly like these two clocks, and I thought they might well go with this. You know, it's got some clocks and some steampunky look on here. So I'm going to do something with those. Okay folks, so there's another few pages in the Dark and Mysterious journal finished. We did this one, which was a printable, and then just added a little bit of writing through a stencil just to brighten up some of those darker areas. And then flipped over, did a couple of very simple little tags to pop in here and finish that off. And then been working on these 2 pages today. So we have a couple of a triple pocket here with some little journaling tags and some bigger journaling spaces, and quite an attractive looking page. So that's all we have time for today folks, but pop on back next week. There'll be another video, and we'll carry on working in our Dark and Mysterious journal. But for now, thank you for watching. Ka kite anō.